Hi guys, I created this gold eye makeup look and hair for this Diwali, and if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I primed my face with the Sugars primer, most eligible blurring primer, and I used the MAX Studio Fix foundation. I am in the shade NC37, and I don't go over with too much foundation or two layers of foundation. I like a very thin and light layer of foundation. And for my concealer, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. I'll mention all the shade and the products in the description box below. And I'm using my YBP blender to blend everything out. And then I'm using the Sugars Banana Compact Powder to set my concealer in place. Make sure you have blended all the creases because otherwise it will set the creases. And then I'm using the Sugars blush in Salmon Superstar. Now you may feel the blush is too much right now, but once I add the bronzer, highlighter, contouring and everything, it will kind of balance out, so don't worry. And yes, you can always tap off everything with the blender. And I'm using the Pixies bronzer. Now this is like super powdery and I used it like all over for a soft bronze. And then I'm using the Becca's Champagne Pop to highlight. I really love highlighting. And I really like Champagne Pop. It is like one of my favorite highlighters. Highlighting all the high points of my face. And then I'm using the Sugars Fawn First contouring stick just very lightly on the hollows of my cheeks and the sides of my nose and blending it again. And then to set everything in place, I'm using the Pixies Makeup Fixing Mist and then going over everything at the end with the blender so that there is no powderiness and everything is well blended. I'm using this new Makeup Revolution palette from the Precious Glamour collection and using this light brown shade to define my crease, concentrating more on the outer corner obviously and the crease, and also taking it a little on the lower lash line to define the outer V, and then going it with the darker brown to deepen the outer V and the outer corners, and then taking this pressed glitter kind of shade in gold and tapping it all over. Now this is a very simple look. I just used two brushes in these three shadows and nothing else, and I'm tight lining my upper and lower waterline with the Lakme kohl, and then smudging it softly with the smudger behind, and then again going with the brown to smoke out a bit of the outer corners. And then I'm lining my eyes with the Sugars eyeliner and making a soft winged, like not a harsh wing, a soft wing liner. You can also add a little bit of black in the outer corner if you want more smokiness. I was happy with this much. And then I'm using the Isadora's Big Bold Mascara and I'm lining my lips with the K by Katrina's lip liner. And again, this is a Makeup Revolution matte lipstick and I'm loving this neutral nudie, a little bit of apricot-y shade, and I added a bindi and I wore some earrings. And for my hair, what I did was I partitioned my hair at the center and then took a chunk of hair and then twisted it, then added more hair and twisted it again and add more hair and twist it, and the same way you go it till the back of the hair. and then you repeat the same on the other side. And then you tie the hair behind with a rubber band and then make a messy bun. And then I added this fake gajra to complete the look. That's it for the look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and happy Diwali. Bye guys.